a while since I've done any kind of video where I make any kind of like food or drink. I don't think actually I ever did a drink one before, so we're doing a first today with that. But about a year ago, I bought a BlendJet. No, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own monies, but I bought it and then never actually used it. And then recently I saw their page of recipes. I was kind of browsing through it and was like, you know, most of these look so dummy proof. There's like no way I couldn't handle them. So I probably won't try all of them, but this one looked too good for me to pass up. So I'm gonna try. I haven't tried it before today. This is literally inaugural run of this thing. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So just saying, they have the recipe in a little short blurb video for this on their own YouTube site as well as their website, but I'll do a little more in depth than theirs because theirs is like 40 seconds long. So all you need for it is like a cup of apple juice, so I'm literally just using generic because I don't care that much. 2 tablespoons of caramel, so probably close enough, right? It's liquidy, so. And vanilla ice cream of choice, float to the top. And this is where I did get the good stuff. I got hot dogs. So, add all ingredients to your BlendJet. So let us go ahead and open it. Actually, let me change angles so you guys can see it. Okay, so better angles. So we will go ahead, open that up. Easier for me to measure with this. There are markings on the back, but it doesn't mention where 1 cup is, and I don't know metric system, so I will use a measuring cup. So 1 cup of apple juice. Go ahead and pour that. Okay, so we got that. Ta-da! Pour it on in. And then the 2 tablespoons of caramel. So I do have a little measuring spoon here that I'll use. So it's got, let's see. Well, we'll find out if it's like open. I feel like I can smell it, so I think it is. Oh, yeah, that is hell of open. Good, 2 of these. 1. Close enough. And a 2. Fill it all the way. I like caramel. Help it along a little. Close enough. And then the ice cream to float to the top. Ooh, that is too light of a scoop. Let's break that up a little, because otherwise I don't think it's going to fit in the thing. Okay, we'll do it that way. Whoop, splash. Let's not have that go down the outside, because I don't want it to get in the motor. Okay, this, I mean, no, it's still too wide. Worst part, I have a smaller one. I should have used that. Get back in the thing. Okay. As you can tell, I'm not exactly filling the scoop each time because I want it to fit in here, so they showed it with like 2, but they used nice full scoops, but I think theirs was narrower around, so get in there. Ooh, that's a nice one. Maybe a little more to the top. Smush it on down in. Okay. Put on our lid. And then you just run it for one cycle, so don't worry, this won't be too loud. And that's it. So then I'm honestly going to transfer it into this. You can drink it out of here, but I don't know. I'm just freaked out by knowing there's blades in the bottom, but you can totally safely drink it out of here. I think I'm scared of knowing there's blades in it and being scared of accidentally hitting the button while drinking it. So let's transfer it in. Ooh, I'm even going to have a little bit extra left over. Let me sip that down some. A little more. And then they recommend putting some whipped cream on top and drizzle it with caramel syrup, but I'm going to skip a step because I have caramel whipped cream, so we will just hit 2 birds with 1 stone here. Ta-da! Beautiful. Okay, so moment of truth. Actually, let me even grab a straw for it. Okay, now I can do moment of truth. That is pretty tasty, I have to admit. It's not as thick as a traditional milkshake, but I think I kind of expected that going in, especially since it was literally just like ice cream and apple juice. I was expecting it to be kind of thin, and that's okay because it goes through a straw better. But you do definitely get that like caramel and apple together that does give that caramel apple effect. I love that. Highly recommended. Very, very nice. So, I don't know if I would give it a number rating. If I did, maybe a 4 out of 5, only because I didn't set expectations and somehow magically thought it would be thicker. But that apart, taste-wise, it's a 5 out of 5. So, anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. And every little bit does help so much. So anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.